Subject Work Experience. Topic National Reading Day. So, students, here why we are celebrating this National Reading Day. So, in this topic, let's learn about why we are reading the books or we are reading newspaper. Okay. So, now what is today's date, students? Today's date is 15th October 1931. Was a birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And after his death, we all celebrating his birth anniversary as a reading day. Okay? So here, let's know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So see here, students, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in Rameshwaram. Then in Madras, Presidency in British India, and now in Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Zainul Labadin, who was a boat owner. His mother name was Ashiamma, who was a housewife. Abdul Kalam was the youngest of 5 siblings. He was close to his family and always helped them, though he remained a bachelor whole life. Though he remained a bachelor whole life. To help the family, he started selling newspapers at an early age. In his school days, Kalam had an average grades but was described as a bright and hardworking student who had a strong desire to learn. Mathematics was his main interest. Now let's see further, students. Now, full name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was Dr. Aul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on October 15, 1931, as I already told you about this. Okay. Now, celebration of National Reading Day. So let's celebrate National Reading Day, students. But first we know about benefits of reading books. Why you should read books every day? Let's see one by one. Sharpness your mind. Reading of books is sharpness your mind. By concentrating on words and lines, it stimulates on your brain. Daily reading can help sharpen your mind. Okay? Reduce your stress. Second is reduce your stress. Reading help you to focusing on words, lines and some sentences. These help to pulling your mind away from stress and make you feel relaxed. Boost sleep. Now third one, boost sleep. Reading help you to fall asleep, de-stress you and also improve your sleeping quality. Reading is like sleeping pill which can lead you into restful sleep. Prevent depression. Self-help books can prevent depression. Reading boosts the part of the brain that deal with depression. It boosts your brain with happiness and ambitions. Expand vocabulary. The more you read, the more words you gain. Reading improves your vocabulary and you can express your own thoughts and feelings. Broaden your imagination. Reading help you to focusing on words, lines and some sentences. This help to pulling your mind away from stress and make you feel relaxed. Now, enjoy your entertainment and peace. Reading can brighten your day. Okay? And some more benefits. Let's see the benefits of reading books. A book is like a garden carried into the pocket. Okay? It exercises your brain. It provides knowledge and information. Books are a good topic of conversation. It is great and free entertainment. It improves concentration and focus. It improves better writing skills. It develops creativity. Reading of books are a window to the world. It increases your ability to empathize with others. It introduces to the unknown fantasy world. The books pose questions to stimulate further reflection. It is good for memory. It enriches the language and vocabulary. It reduces stress, puts you in a better mood. A book. So here students, these are the benefit of reading of books. Okay. Now see here activities done by students of standard 2nd B and 2nd C.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
In the morning, brush your teeth.
In the morning, brush your teeth.
E, F, G, H.
E, F, G, H.
Hurry up and don't be late.
Hurry up and don't be late.
I, J, K.
Okay. Now see here students. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. These sentences and proverbs by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now let's see some more. Dreams is not what you see in sleep. Is the thing which does not let you sleep. By Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's see some more sentences by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. A dream is not that which you see with sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day, students.